Hemchand Manjhi, a Kavaidiraj, the Padma Shri awardee, has announced the return of the prestigious award owing to relentless threats from Maoists in Bastar. In a series of threatening remarks, Manjhi has been facing relentless death threats from Maoists, so much so that the Naxals nailed banners and dropped pamphlets warning to kill him. In the last few months, Maoists of Bastar in Chhattisgarh have killed as many as 6 BJP workers in the target killings, torched many vehicles carrying iron ore from the mines, and triggered an IED blast to kill 2 workers of the Amdai project.
तो लोग से जो बातें हैं ना जड़ी बूटी के लिए या नाड़ी देखते हैं, घर में दवाई के लिए छोटे डोंगर जाते हैं, उन लोग की भी बड़ा दुखित होता है। बल्कि जड़ी बूटी देना ही छोड़ देंगे, अब उसी के लिए तो कई मरते होंगे।
Notably, ever since the Amdai mining project was revived in 2016, the Maoists have been opposing it vehemently. Maoists oppose such projects as they could lead to infrastructure development like roads, providing accessibility to security forces besides generating employment to locals that could weaken their cadre and control bases, a police official stated. Manjhi, the traditional medicine practitioner whom people call Vaidyaraj, particularly grew to nationwide fame in 2024 after the centre conferred the Padma Shri award on him, recognizing his numerous contributions to the field of medicine. He, however, announced the painful decision to not only return the Padma Shri award but also discontinue the medical practice through which he once cured cancer patients. The breaking point for Manjhi came on Sunday when the Maoists torched 2 mobile towers in Raipur's Chameli and Gardanath villages and scattered leaflets accusing the Padma Shri awardee of acting as an agent for Amdai mines. Even though Manjhi denies the baseless allegations leveled at him, his terror-stricken family requested that Manjhi return the award and even stop distributing medicines to the patients, citing previous grave incidents suffered by his family.
भाई जन सेवा करते हैं, ऐसे हम लोग कोई किसी से पैसा मांग के नहीं खाते हैं। कोई उनमें कोई देते हैं तो 4 पैसा लेते हैं, नहीं तो मैं 1 पैसा भी नहीं मांगता।
For the unversed, the Maoists had killed Manjhi's nephew Komal in December after constant threats. Following Komal's brutal murder, Manjhi was provided with 3 security personnel and was also forced to shift to Narayanpur town 40 kilometers away from his village Chote Dongar. However, Manjhi shared that the new house didn't provide him with basic facilities, after which he had to shift into a rented place where he is living under significant threat. Bastar's Vaidyaraj, Manjhi, who is well known for his knowledge of special herbs from the remote Abudmad forest, while refuting Maoist allegations, stated that he had never taken a single penny and was in no business dealings with the iron ore mine. I have been serving people, curing diseases and ailments with Jadi Booty since the age of 20, but no more, Manjhi stated painfully.